All right, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddie, coming to you live down here in a hot, beautiful, sunny South Florida. And boy, we've got a treat for you today. What we have here is a corporate safe specialist safe with a S&G electronic lock, and it is locked up, but it's not going to be locked up for long because we're going to use the little black box. That's right, the Lockmasters little black box electronic safe opener. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up so that we can get it open. That's right, we're going to check it all out here. So what we're going to do first is we've got to go ahead and get this screw out. On this particular model, this little S&G comes out of there. We got to go get a screwdriver to take that out. All right, so we got the screwdrivers here. It's a little hard to do this with one hand. I don't have someone here to hold it. There you go. You remove that little S&G. And there's your Phillips screw right there. We're going to go ahead and take that screw out of there. Just like that. Set that aside. Pull it out. Here you go. And what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery pack. And we're going to disconnect the wires right here, just like that. So now you have that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hook up our little black box. Now this is the S&G 6720 safe lock, old version. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the proper module, S&G little black box. We're going to go ahead and plug that into here as such. It's going to actually go in that way. It's going to go in just like that. There you go. We're going to go ahead and put our S&G, plug this right in. This actually just fits right on top of there like that. Going to use our battery pack. This is the battery pack. The battery pack actually goes into the side as such. Turn the switch on. It's then going to read it. There we go, it's up and running. We're going to decode the lock, acquiring the data. Our battery pack, it tells us we're at 11.6 volts. It's acquiring the data from the lock right now. And there it is. It's going to continue until it's ready, and it'll run up into about 7-8 minutes. So I'm going to put it on pause until it reads the exact. No use sitting here for 8 minutes, up to 8 minutes holding the camera here. So as soon as it decodes it, we're going to come right back. Okay, and there it is, just under 9 minutes. There's the reset code. Tap screen to dial the master. There's the master, 413212. Hit that, dialing the master. Lock is open. There's your safe. There you have it. Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddie has done it again. Thank you for watching.